Hello, my name is Jamie Bunting, and today I'll be talking about developmental theories and who I find the most attraction to, I suppose. It's going to be Erikson and his social and personality theory, which is again through birth to age 13, which many theorists believe, and they view growth and learning as proceeding in an orderly fashion, typically from birth to adulthood, and how they learn certain abilities. So Erikson is a social personality type of theory, and he believes that there's different crises, and as you from birth to age 13, they go through a few crises. The first one is birth through 16 months. It's trust versus mistrust, whether the caregiver or the parents, whoever is feeding that baby, they're meeting their basic needs. And the baby develops whether they can trust the world around them or they mistrust the world. The next crisis that a baby or an infant or a toddler would go through is crisis 2, which is autonomy versus the shame and doubt. This child strives for independence. They either they thrive and the parent encourages independence, or they feel the shame and doubt, like they're not able to be independent. They have to rely heavily on somebody, and this typically this is carried on into adulthood. If these crises aren't met, they carry it into adulthood. Next is the initiative versus the guilt phase or crisis, and the child plans and carries out activities and learns society's boundaries. This is where they learn the limits. They either can exceed them, as we see a lot in 3-year-olds, or they understand the rules. You have very firm rules and guidelines as the children follow. Lastly, there's this crisis 4, which is the industry versus the inferiority phase. This is a big one. Age is 7 through 13 years old, and the child needs to be productive and successful. This is what they thrive on. Failure can result in the feelings of inferiority. If they're unable, it's again a lack of confidence. Thank you for watching, and I believe Erikson is my favorite. Thank you.